Hi everyone, this is Bhavya and I'm doing my BSc Chemistry in SRM University, which is located in Amaravati. So I have 2 months of semester holidays and I got really interested to know about pharma industry and what really happens in pharma industry. And I've come through few training labs and Rainbow Pharma Training is one of them. And I really felt interested about it because they have everything in their training lab. Like we can get hands-on experience of physical test, chemical test, and here in this pharma training lab, we can get an hands-on experience of HPLC, GC, disintegration time, friability, and etc. I really felt it very helpful because for a student like me who was just completed their BSc first year, they made they made it very clear and they divided it into few little parts so I can understand about physical pharma industry very well. And I felt like it will be very helpful for everyone if you want to choose Rainbow Training Pharma, and I really recommend it to you, and thank you.